my channel. This is Keerthi Kumar. In case if you're visiting my channel for the first time, or in case if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please do hit the subscribe button, guys. That means so much to me. So yes, today's video is all about this fresh colorful summer makeup look. In case if you want to know how I got this look, then just keep on watching the video. So firstly, I'm going to start with the eye makeup by taking this Tastiest Pro palette, and I'm taking this brown eyeshadow first, and I'm applying that on my crease area with a fluffy blending brush, guys. So this eyeshadow kind of acts as a contour and kind of defines the crease first. So next, I'm going to apply little bolder color. So this kind of defines the crease first. So yeah, that's the reason I applied a brown eyeshadow. And now I'm taking this NYX Ultimate Edit palette, which has got all bolder colors, and I'm taking this green color and gonna apply that on the outer and inner corner of the eyes with a pointed pencil kind of brush. So that brush is from PAC, guys. I have bought it almost like 2 to 3 years back, and it's still kind of working nice. I have washed it several times and it's working pretty good now. So yeah, I'm applying that on the inner and the outer corner of the eyes. So I'm just slowly packing that green color on the eye area, guys. So that is not a wet brush, so it's just like a dry brush. So I'm just applying that dry product over there, and I'm just kind of, intensifying that green, and I'm just layering the green until I get that desired green color that I want. And yeah, just slowly blending that out and packing the color, and just doing that until I get that green pop of colored kind of look there. Now I'm just blending that crease out with a fluffy blending brush. If you just see, I'm not blending on the lid area, guys. I'm just blending that out on the crease area just to remove any harsh edges over there. Now again, I'm just going back with that green color to again get that pop of green colored kind of look, because I just feel that I need a little more of green over there. And now I'm applying a concealer with a flat eyeshadow brush. Flat brush. You can just take any flat, brush that you have. And I'm just applying that concealer on the center of the lid area. So if you just see, I'm not going crazy with concealer, not cut crease or any sort of that. I'm just applying this concealer over there so that when I'm applying the next shadow, this kind of acts as base and the color pops out a little more. Now I'm taking this yellow color from the same palette, and I've applied a MAC Fix Plus on that brush. That is a small flat eyeshadow brush. I have sprayed some MAC Fix Plus on that, and I'm applying that yellow color on the area where I have applied the concealer. That is only on the center part of the lid. So this is, I'm just kind of doing a kind of halo eye kind of makeup look there. And I'm just slowly packing the color there, and I'm just blending that out. Now again, I'm going back with that green color with the same pencil brush, and I'm just applying that over there, like, the area between the yellow and the green color, so that, the yellow and green doesn't leave a kind of harsh line over there, and it looks like they both got blended into seamless colored kind of look. So that's the reason I'm just applying little green color near that yellow, green, and that meeting point kind of area. I think you're getting it. I'm just slowly blending that out, just slightly blending that in the crease, not too much, just like what is left on the brush, and just blending that on the crease so that there will be no harsh line. And for the foundation, I took the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation, dotting that all over my skin. I'm just blending that out with the beauty blender, the damp beauty blender. I am totally obsessed with this foundation, guys. This is my favorite drugstore foundation right now. So I just bought this like very recently, and I'm just going crazy over it. So in case if you're checking for a good foundation for the summer, do check this out. The staying power of this foundation is just super good, and it's not that drying matte formula. So even if you have like dry skin, combination skin, oily skin, it's gonna work super amazing. And my shade is like 07. But I just don't find this shade on Nykaa. I don't know, for some reason. I just think that Nykaa should stock up with little more shades. So yeah, now for the concealer, I took the ColourPop concealer, the no filter concealer, and I'm applying that on all my high points again. So again, this is my recent purchase, and I'm just going crazy over this concealer again. I'm like, this concealer gives like super full coverage, guys, and also the staying power is just like super good. And again, this is actually a drying formula concealer, but I mean, sorry, it's a matte formula concealer, but it's not drying matte on skin. I have like dry skin and it's working super good on me, and that means if you have got oily skin, it still works super good on you. Yeah, and I'm just blending that out, guys. So, and again, the price point of this concealer is just like so good. It's super affordable, and for that price point, like you just have got like so many benefits with that concealer. So for the highlighter part, I'm taking this iconic London illuminator drops, and I'm placing one dot each on all the high points. In case if you just want to check out something in the affordable range, you can check from the Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter, or you can also take a cream highlighter at this point, guys, something from NYX or anything, or you can totally skip this part of it if you're not a huge layering of products fan or a highlighter fan or whatever. And I'm just blending that out with sponge. So yeah, for the powder, I took the Kryolan loose powder, and I'm just setting that concealer in place with the powder. No crazy baking or anything, just setting that makeup in place. So yeah, as usually, I love to apply the powder with sponge. For the blush, I took the NARS Orgasm blush. Can you see that gorgeous color over there? I mean, like, I'm in love with this blush, guys, and I'm applying that on the apples of my cheeks. In case if you just have got like, you just have to pick one blush, just pick this up. This is just so gorgeous. And for the highlighter, I took the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. I'm just sweeping that brush in the product. And yeah, I'm going to apply that on the high points of my face. That's on the cheekbones, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, and on my chin. And I'm also slightly taking this product itself on my brow bone as well. So yeah, I'm not applying any other highlighter under my brow bone, guys. I'm just applying the same highlighter under my brow bone as well. And I am in love with this highlighter again, guys. This is my favorite drugstore highlighter as of now, and I just love the glow. I mean, like that pop of highlighter kind of effect that this highlighter is giving. And in case if you just feel you need a little more pop of color with the highlighter, just spray some Fix Plus on the brush and use it. And again, I'm going with this green color from the same NYX palette, and with a short shader brush, I'm applying that on the outer and inner corner of the waterline. So I'm just doing the same thing, guys, like doing kind of halo waterline kind of thing, if there is something, a name like that. Okay, whatever. So I'm just applying that on the inner and the outer corner of the eye and slowly packing that green color in there until I get that desired green color effect. And I'm taking this yellow color from the same NYX palette, and I'm applying that on the center part, so that is between the two green colors. So again, I'm just slowly packing that yellow color until I get my desired intensity of there. um, that's it, guys. No wet brush, it's just like a dry product again there. Now for the mascara, I took the Milk Makeup mascara, and I'm coating my top and bottom lashes with that mascara. And later I'm going to apply some falsies as well, which I love doing it. And for the lipstick, I'm taking this Maybelline lipstick in the shade Self Starter. I'm going crazy over this shade. I mean, like, that shade complements my skin tone super good. So if you're someone close to my skin tone, do check that shade out. And I'm applying my lashes to get that glam to the look. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you like this look. In case if you do so, please give this video a thumbs up, and also please do hit the subscribe button. That means so much to me. And also please do follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is Keerthi Kumar Makeup. And yes, in case if you like this look, please do let me know that in the comment section below. And also if you have any beauty and makeup related questions, or in case if you have any video topic suggestions, please put them in my comment section below, guys. I would love to know them, and I would love to answer them for you guys. So yes, guys, it's all for this video. We'll be seeing you soon with another video. Till then, have a great day. Bye.